Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, the ACC Academic Vlog. Today's video is going to be a little different as I'm not going to be reviewing a finance or accounting degree. I'm going to be comparing two degrees simultaneously. So the degrees today in question are CA and CFA. We begin with the Chartered Accountant, the backbone of the Indian corporate finance in India. This qualification is controlled by the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, or ICAI. It's the CA's expertise is centered on compliance, audit, financial reporting, and Indian tax law. They are the experts who ensure the books are clean and legal. It is a journey of 4.5 to 5 years, which is mandatory as it includes 3 years of compulsory articleship or practical training. You learn on the job. Your destination is clear. The statutory auditor, the only profession with the legal authority to sign audited financial statements in India. This is the path to the CFO or finance controller's suite. The next qualification which we have is of CFA. The CFA or the Chartered Financial Analyst are the global standards for investment professionals. This is managed by the CFA Institute, an organization with a global US based focus. The CFA is all about investment management, asset valuation, portfolio management, and wealth planning. The goal is to maximize returns and manage risk. The exam process takes about 2.5 to 4 years, but you must acquire 3 years of relevant work experience to actually become a charter holder. The roles are global and high finance, investment banker, portfolio manager, equity researcher, and hedge fund manager. The charter is a global recognized standard in over 165 countries. Now I'm going to be comparing these two degrees together. In CA, the goal is compliance and integrity, while in CFA, it's maximizing returns and valuation. CA dominates in audit and corporate finance. CFA dominates in investment banking and asset management. The pass rates, this is crucial. CA's pass rates are only 8 to 12%, whereas CFA has a moderate pass rate level of 40 to 50% per level. Fresher salaries in India are competitive. However, the senior peak salary for a CFA, particularly in global investment roles, has an extremely high ceiling compared to the high but more structured CA salary cap. The course fees. The CA course is significantly more cost effective with 60 to 70,000, 75,000 compared to the CFA, which costs around 2.5 to 3 lakhs. Now, this is only the fees which you will be paying to the professional bodies, and this does not include all of the study materials or tuition fees. Now, we'll talk about the difficulty levels of these degrees. In CA, the syllabus is massive, covering 5 major areas: law, tax, accounting, audit, costing, in excruciating detail. The compulsory 3 year articleship is extremely challenging and time consuming, requiring students to juggle work and study simultaneously. Exams are mostly subjective, but demanding deep conceptual clarity and excellent application of knowledge. In CFA, the CFA is tough in a different way. It demands intense self-discipline. The difficulty lies in the highly analytical nature with a heavy focus on complex financial modeling, valuation, and quantitative methods. Candidates must dedicate 300 plus hours of self-study per level, a huge time commitment outside of work. While levels 1 and 2 are objective, level 3 includes constructive response or essay style questions that test your ability to apply investment principles to real life portfolio decisions. Who should choose CA? If you're passionate about accounting, auditing, and Indian tax law, you're motivated by the legal authority and responsibility of signing audited financial statements, or your ultimate goal is the CFA finance controller path by the traditional Indian corporate structure. Who should choose CFA? If you're passionate about financial markets, investment, and asset valuation, if you seek a career with high global mobility to fields like investment banking and private equity, and if you prefer a focused analytical and finance specific curriculum, CFA might be the better fit for you. For more such videos, please do subscribe to my channel, and you can suggest me in the comment section of which degree would you like me to review next. Thank you.